How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Fully Geeking Out. It's your boy Eddie back with another unboxing. Today I have some LED trunk bed lights for my 2020 Tacoma that we're going to unbox and install. And then I got these LED rear lights for backing up. And we're going to get into that, and we're going to install these things after I unbox them. So stay tuned for that. So let's get into the bed lights. Always cut away from you. Don't want to cut yourself. Check these out. I purchased these from Amazon, and in the description it says that these should be able to plug and play. Geez, excuse me. Let's get into it. So in this kit, you'll get two connectors, which should plug into these lights and directly into the wiring harness behind the tail light. And then here's the actual light itself. So you can actually see the LEDs within the actual compartment. I don't know if you can see that. And then what happens is that you plug in that harness and the old caps pop out of the bed, and this should just clip right into place. Let's set these aside and open up these light bulbs, see what they look like. I went with LEDs because I wanted to get the brightest lights I can find when backing up my truck. So they're very simple, very simple. These are just two backup lights with LED diodes on them, lighting up in every direction. Very simple. And then you have a thank you from the company. Nice. The reason I unboxed these together is because if I got to pull out the tail light, might as well replace light bulbs too. So let's go install these. So you see these 4 screws? We're going to remove 2 and 4. I've already pre-loosened these screws just to make it a little easier and quicker. Once these 2 screws are removed, there are 2 connectors on the back of the tail light that should make a popping sound when loosened and removed. You see this wiring harness and wiring? This is the wiring harness for the trunk bed light. This is connected to a false connector, which will be removed. Next, you take your tool and pop off the cover. This is where the light will be placed. So next, you take your light, connect the wiring, and fish it through. Make sure you don't cut yourself. Just move around the wiring until you're able to grab the wire through the hole. It's not very difficult. You pull it through Now you will slide the light up and push in, and you should hear it click. And this will let you know that the light is secure. Next, you're going to remove the truck bed light harness from the false connector to not damage any wiring when removing the false connector. There it is. Now we're going to remove that connector because we're going to use the existing hole to mount the new wiring harness. Just take a pair of pliers, pull it straight out. It's just a placeholder, no power. Now connect the light harness to the actual power of the truck. Connect the new light to the existing wiring of the truck. Take this clip and put it in the hole right up top. Next, clip in the wiring harness where the old one was. And next, we're going to replace the backup lights with the new LED lights. You're going to turn the connector counterclockwise and it pops right out. Old light bulb out, new LED light in. Put it back in, turn clockwise, and replace the light. Make sure it snaps in place. Then replace the screws. And there it is. You have new LED bed lights. This is with the cover off. And here it is with the cover on. You see how it illuminates the whole trunk bed. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.